Over 60s accelerate aging through lifestyle choices that cause rapid structural, metabolic, and skin decline. Key mistakes include neglecting strength training, chronic dehydration, excessive sugar alcohol intake, and poor sleep. Reversing these with consistent resistance exercise, hydration, and a nutrient-dense diet can significantly improve and even reverse signs of premature aging. Here are 10 mistakes that are aging you faster over 60, based on research. Neglecting strength training. Skipping resistance exercises causes rapid muscle loss, sarcopenia, weakening metabolism, and increasing frailty. Chronic dehydration. Not drinking enough water leads to dull skin, decreased elasticity, and poor organ function. High sugar diet. Excessive sugar causes sugar sag by creating advanced glycation end products, AGs, which damage collagen and stiffen blood vessels. Excessive sun exposure. UV damage causes skin to age significantly faster through wrinkles, sunspots, and reduced firmness. Poor sleep habits. Insufficient or low-quality sleep prevents the body from repairing tissues and managing stress hormones. Smoking. Smoking damages skin collagen, causing rapid wrinkles and yellowing teeth. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods, including excessive television watching, is linked to shorter telomeres and reduced life expectancy. Unmanaged chronic stress. High anxiety weakens the immune system and accelerates cellular aging. Poor posture and technique. Constantly looking down at phones or hunching over causes neck strain and a more frail appearance. Ignoring skin care. Skipping hydration and sun protection for the skin leads to faster development of fine lines and sag. Key takeaways for reversal. Exercise. Perform at least 20 minutes of strength training 3 times a week. Nutrition. Reduce processed foods and increase water intake to combat dryness. Movement. Break up long periods of sitting to improve metabolic health. Style. Refresh outdated hairstyles and clothing to look more vibrant.